Hi guys, my name's Abby. I am a freshman, and this is my first anatomy class, let alone an anatomy class online. Um, I'm from Michigan. I was born and raised up until 8 years old in the UP, almost up by Canada. I don't know if I hold my hand like this, but it's up here. Right here in this corner is where I was raised. When I was 18 years old, my mom decided to move down here, so then we came down here. I have 8 siblings, 4 sisters, and 3 brothers, so not a day is dull here. I just moved out when I was 18 on my own, so I have my own apartment. Um, when I graduated high school, I graduated with my CNA license, and I've been a CNA for 3 going on 4 years now, and I love it. I love every second of it. It's a lot of work though. My program of study is business and administration. Obviously, I'm a CNA and I work in a hospital, so I want to run a hospital instead of take the orders. So I would like to get my degree so I can do that because I've always found myself trying to critique the patient care plans and trying to make them better, and I realize that's what I want to do. Um, for fun, I like to draw and paint. Really gives me peace of mind. I don't know if I'm good at it, but I like to do it. I like to play with my dog Bubba. He's a Shih Tzu Beagle and Lab mix. Bubba, come here. Come here. Come say hi. This is Bubba. He is he looks like a Shih Tzu, but he's got the nose of a beagle. You could hide a cookie under a blanket and he'd find it in 3 seconds. Um, he's got the body of a lab. He, like when I buy clothes for him, he has to get, all right, go. He has to get a medium instead of a small because he's got a bigger muscular build. I'm taking this class because I need to know background information as an administrator on, people's bodies. If I'm working with doctors and nurses and practitioners and they're coming to me and telling me about care plans, I need to know the background on what they're talking about. I shouldn't be unknowledgeable in that, field. So taking this class will give me the knowledge that I need to be able to help run my employees in my building. Online college, I'm taking online college because I work full time. I also work third shift, so if I blow up a lot of your guys' phones because I'm on the discussion boards, I apologize in advance. I am doing this because working full time and on third shift allows me to do my homework, and I'm super thankful that I have that opportunity because a lot of people don't. But my facility that I work for lets me do my homework when, my rounds are done and everything. So I'm super blessed in that field. But that is why I'm doing online schooling. And I love road trips. So my dad lives up in the UP where I was born, and it is a 8-hour drive without stops, so about 9 to 10 hours with stops and, food and everything. And I love driving up there. It takes almost all day, but I absolutely love it. I love the scenery. I love driving in general. So that's a little bit about me. I'm excited to learn and engage with my classmates and with my professor, and that's me. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.